We are at a point where deep tech, sustainability, and advanced manufacturing are converging, and hard tech's at the middle of it all.
Hard tech is where it's at. Without hard tech, nothing is going to happen in this high-tech world.
We sometimes forget that we think software is everything, but nothing of the key industries happens without hard tech. EV ecosystem, robotics, climate solutions, healthcare, everything needs a physical expression of how we want to make the world a better place.
Through the Spark Fund, mHUB Ventures is investing in entrepreneurs from around the world that are creating technologies that are disrupting these all-important sectors.
What I really like about the Spark Fund is it's not just investing money, it's helping people build companies and doing it in a community that really makes sense.
Our first fund, Spark Fund 1, backed 54 companies with technologies ranging from energy storage to disease management to robotics.
Now, Spark Fund 2 is doubling down. Over the next 4 years, we will invest in nearly 65 startups in de-risk investment through mHUB's nationally ranked accelerator program.
It's really difficult to be successful doing a hard tech startup if you don't have access to equipment and critical expertise about manufacturability, supply chain.
What I like about the Spark Fund is that investments are connected to the mHUB accelerator, and each program collaborates with industry to help solve complex problems.
And while mHUB Ventures offers big market opportunities, the technologies we back are also good for people, good for the planet, good for the economy, and good for U.S. resilience and leadership.
Over the last 10 years, mHUB has built the infrastructure, established the community, and developed the relationships to allow entrepreneurship to evolve from a lonely experience to one that's support-driven and built by community.
What was interesting and surprising about mHUB was the fact that they are able to get this level of talent together under one building.
You just walk through the halls of this incredible facility and the energy is palpable.
mHUB has become the community in the entire United States where everybody involved is focused on the exact same thing. It is where the energy in manufacturing is right now.
We can't build the future we want without hard tech, and it depends on the investments we make today.
Spark Fund 2 is here to power the next wave of US-built innovation.